Good morning, children. Welcome to MBM classes. Today, let us see how to add the polynomials. There are two ways to add these polynomials. One is the vertical form. The second one is the horizontal form. So, first let us do it by vertical form. In the vertical form, first we will be writing the given polynomial in the given order. 8x square plus 12x plus 9. Now we are going to write the second polynomial below this first polynomial. While writing, you had to be careful whether you are writing the same variable below it. Here you are having 8x square. So below that you will be having 3x square. You have to see whether these two are matching over here. Next is 12x. So I will be writing minus 6x over here. Next is constant minus 7. And after this, it is just a simple addition. 9 minus 7 is 2 plus 2. Next, 12 minus 6 is plus 6. Replace the variable as it is. Only the numbers we will be calculating. Their variables is replaced as it is. Next, 8 plus 3 is 11. So, we will replace x square as it is. So, this is a very easy method to add the polynomials. Second one is horizontal form. In the horizontal form, we will be grouping the variables 8x square and 3x square. So, we will be grouping the like terms. So, x square and x square are like terms. So, we will be grouping the like terms over here. 8x square plus 3x square, put it in the bracket, plus second bracket 12x minus 6x, 12x minus 6x, third bracket 9 minus 7. So, in the horizontal form, each and every term we will be putting it in the bracket. In between the bracket, we will put the plus sign. Don't forget to put the plus sign between the brackets. Now, you add the numbers 8 plus 3, 11, 11x square plus 12 minus 6, 6x plus 9 minus 7, 2. So, my answer is 11x square plus 6x plus 2. Hope you understood both the methods. Now we will see the subtraction of two polynomials. 6x cube plus 7x square plus 3x is the first polynomial and the second polynomial is minus 2x cube plus 7x square plus 3x minus 7 is the second polynomial. Now we are asked to subtract these two polynomials. So let me do it in the vertical form first. 6x cube plus 7x square plus 3x is the first polynomial. Now below that you write the second polynomial, minus 2x cube plus 7x square plus 3x minus 7. Again, while writing, see that the like terms are matching over here. Now you have to subtract. Subtraction means we have to change the sign of the second polynomial over here in each and every term. So this minus sign, I am going to change it as plus. Here this plus, I am going to change it as minus. This plus again minus. This minus will become plus. That is the additive inverse of this given sign over here, alternate sign. If it is minus, you will write plus. If it is plus, you will write minus. Plus means minus, again minus means plus. Now the method is easy as you have done it earlier in the case of addition of polynomials. Same way, 6 plus 2. So it is 8x cube, 7 minus 7. So it is plus 0x square, 3 minus 3. So plus 0x plus 7. So my final answer is 8x cube plus 7. This is my final answer. Now we will see how to do it horizontally. Now let us do horizontally. 6x cube plus 7x square plus 3x minus in bracket the second polynomial. So first you write as it is 6x cube plus 7x square plus 3x. Now we are going to open the bracket. So whenever there is a negative sign outside the bracket, now letters, that is the variables or constants inside the bracket, will have their additive inverses. That is the sign will be changed. If it is minus 2x cube, we will write plus 2x cube, because you know minus into minus plus. So in general you can remember whatever is there inside the bracket, their signs will get changed. So plus 7x square is written as minus 7x square, plus 3x will become minus 3x, and minus 7 will become plus 7. So you have to remember whenever there is a minus sign outside the bracket, all the signs inside the bracket will get changed. Now next step is to group the terms. 6x cube. So like term of 6x cube is 2x cube. So you write it in bracket plus 2x cube. Second, 7x square. Here it is minus 7x square plus 3x minus 3x, and last one is constant. After grouping you count the terms 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that you can check whether any term is left out or not. Now 6 plus 2 is 8. 8x cube. 7x square minus 7x square you can cut it. 3x and minus 3x you can cut it. So what is the answer? 8x cube plus 7. So you can check the answer. In both the cases I got the same answer. Now let us see one more question of simplify. 3x square plus 5x plus 4 plus x square plus 6 minus 3 minus 7x. So first let us open the bracket over here. 3x square plus 5x plus 4 plus x square plus 6. As I said earlier, there is a negative sign outside the bracket. So the sign inside the bracket, the terms, a sign of the terms inside the bracket will get changed. So 3 will become minus 3 and minus 7x will become plus 7x. Now let us do it in vertical form. So I will write 3x square plus 5x plus 4. Next you are having x square. So I will write below x square over here. There is no x term over here. Next is 6. So I will write plus 6 over here. Next is minus 3. So minus 3 I will write below plus 6. Next is 7x. So I will write 7x over here. There is no term over here. You better write it as 0x so that there is no confusion. Now you add 6 plus 4, 10. 10 minus 3, 7. 5 plus 7 plus 12x. Next 3x square. If nothing is given you have to take it as 1. So 3x square plus 1x square is 4x square. So this is how you do the simplification. First, whenever there is a bracket over here, remove all the brackets and then arrange it in a vertical form, and then you can add. The same sum can be done in horizontal also by grouping the like terms. Let us see this question. Again it's simplify. X square plus y square minus z square minus inside the bracket 3z square minus 2x square minus 4y square plus again one more polynomial 4y square plus x square plus z square. So first step, to remove the brackets. So that is open the bracket. X square plus y square minus z square. So minus sign outside the bracket, all the terms inside the bracket, their signs will be changed. So plus 3z square will become minus 3z square. Minus will become plus 2x square plus 4y square plus 4y square plus x square plus z square. Now what I am going to do, I am going to arrange in vertical form. I will write x square plus y square minus z square. Again it is 3z square minus 3z square, also I will write below minus, below this z square I will be writing minus 3z square. Here you are able to see 2x square. So below x square I will be writing 2x square and 4y square. So it is 4y square. So write it below 4y square. Again x square. So x square. Next is plus z square. So now we can add all these three terms. Minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. Minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3z square. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Plus 9y square 4. So it is 4x square plus. So the final answer is 4x square plus 9y square minus 3z square. So in the case of simplification, you have to first open the bracket and then arrange it in vertical form, and then you can add. You can also do it in the horizontal form.